Good day. This is an electric fence installation with a trigger alarm delivered for a client somewhere in Osun State. So if you have electric fence job, you can call on us. You are just a call away from me. 080-380-15711. So let me keep showing you the fence. That's it. And if you are outside Nigeria, you need to have +234 080-380-15711. Sorry for the noise. We are in Nigeria. Generator noise. Let me show you the energizer working perfectly and absolutely well. Let's see the energizer working perfectly and absolutely well. So, and give us a call. Let me show you the remaining part of the electricians. You can also contact us via our email address, panayo25@gmail.com, PANAYO25@gmail.com. Thank you.